In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot for beginners, whether you're just getting started with managing your contacts or you're switching to HubSpot from another tool. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly import your contact data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to organize and manage your contacts efficiently within HubSpot. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account. This step is essential because you'll need access to the platform to manage and import your contact data. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry, HubSpot has a forgot password feature on the login page that can help you reset it quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your central hub. It's where you'll access all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. From here, look for the CRM tab and click on it. The Customer Relationship Management Suite is the heart of HubSpot and is crucial for managing all your interactions and organizing your contact information. After opening the CRM tab, locate and click on the Contacts button. This will take you straight to the Contacts page, where you can view, edit, and manage all your existing contacts. This area is the foundation for everything you'll do with your contact list, so it's worth getting comfortable navigating here. Now on the Contacts page, find the Import button and give it a click. This is where the process of importing new contacts begins. Once you've clicked on Import, HubSpot will present you with several options for bringing in your data. You can choose to import contacts from a CSV file, which is perfect if you've exported your data from another platform or tool. Alternatively, you can import your contacts from an Excel spreadsheet, which is ideal if you've been manually tracking your data in Excel. Lastly, if you're using integrated apps that sync with HubSpot, you can import your contacts directly from there. Take a moment to review these options and choose the method that best fits your current setup and where your data is stored. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to import contacts into HubSpot, whether from a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or an integrated app. This process is an essential part of getting the most out of HubSpot's CRM tools and will help you keep your contact data organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.